Peace be with you, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Children of Light. Do you like my banana hat? Today we're talking and doing bananas. I will teach you how easy it is to dry your own bananas at home in the air, in your own house. No dehydrator required. All you need is some kind of a tray, could be plastic or metal, it doesn't matter. I'm using those. They are actually trays for sprouting or microgreens that I bought from Amazon. So I use them for many different purposes. So that's all you need, and ripe bananas. So you know when bananas are ripe, they have those dots and brownish spots and all that. So you want to slice the bananas into thin slices as much as possible, lengthwise, like this. And I will show you. And you can see in the light it's a bit transparent, but it doesn't have to be too thin. This is about okay. Even if it's a bit thicker, it's still okay. And you just line them in the tray, make them fit. You fill the tray with the sliced bananas, which we're going to do now. And I love bananas. I eat a lot of bananas all the time. I make sure I have in the house lots of bananas. They're very healthy. They have a very good prebiotic fiber, which means that it's very good for your gut bacteria. And they're high in potassium and many other nutrients. And did you know bananas are actually intestinal regulators, which means that if you are constipated and you eat bananas, they will help you to have evacuation. And if you are having the runs, diarrhea, they will loosen you up. They will tighten you up. They will regulate you. Okay? So, we're almost done. And I will show you how I dry them, but you can dry them in a different way. So if you don't have the dryer, it's not really a dryer, I call it a dryer, it's a mesh, okay? It's 3 layers of mesh, I'll show you shortly. If you don't have that, you can simply use a cheesecloth, like a fabric, put it over, and buy one of those elastics that you use for clothing. You know, the sewing elastics that they sell per foot or per meter in the from the sewing from the clothing stores. And you can tie it and just snap it around to hold the fabric if you want to dry it outside so that no flies and insects get in. I have a lot of flies, autumn, winter and spring inside the house flies. I live in the country, so I have to protect the drying bananas so that no flies lands on them. But if you live in the city, you may not have that issue with the flies, so you can just have them somewhere in your house, on the table, on the kitchen countertop, and let them dry. You know, it takes about a week, I know this. The drier and the hotter the house inside is, the quicker they will dry. So I dry them during the winter because I have dry heat in the house, so they dry in about a week. I will show you the ready product. So this is a dried banana. See how it's transparent in the light? It's pretty cool. And they are so delicious and chewy. I love the texture and so sweet. and they're great for traveling. They take little space, and you can take them anywhere. They allow them on airplanes, when you're traveling in your car, while you're driving, you can eat them, and they're satisfactory and they're healthy. So I dry a lot over the winter, and I have plenty of them for the whole year. So I will take you upstairs and show you where I put them to dry. There is the dryer. It's just a mesh, 3 layers. It takes 6 of those trays. There you go. I hang it here from my ceiling on my loft, where is the hottest, the highest spot. So this thing I bought from Temu, the website Temu. As you can see, it has a hook. You can hook it anywhere outside if you want to dry it in the sun-dried. And this way it's protected from the insects. It has zippers, so you put your fruits inside. Okay, just a moment. There you go, and you zip it. And that's it. You're done. About a week inside. Outside in the sun might take shorter, few days. Just try, experiment. Let me know how you like it in the comments below, and how it worked for you. I wish you good luck. I hope you enjoy them. Much peace and love with you. See you in the next video.